Dear viewers, it is important you know that we are not doctors, and this video is not a substitute for your medical treatment. For any of your health issues and concerns, please make sure you consult with your doctor or a health professional. Thank you. Hi guys, today we are presenting you with something that is very, very essential and will be very educative. As we all know, over the past few years, a lot of people have tended to go towards organic sources for different things, food, health, and all that, all whatnot. Well, today we are going herbal. How in Africa we use herbs for major ailments, not just major, even minor ailments. And I have a guest with me today. The guy is a pro. You will want to hear everything he has got to say. So stay tuned and follow us. And please don't forget, if you've not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button and share. We're coming back. So I am Aisha Elan, and with me today is our guest, who is
Damilare Oluwasegun.
Damilare Oluwasegun, and he's a herbal consultant and specialist. Damilare, I know that you have an AKA. What's your AKA?
AKA is Alas Nawode Herbal Mixture.
Nawode Herbal Mixture. What does Nawode mean?
Nawode means anyway it's Osun State
An Osun State dialect.
Dialect.
Okay.
So it means Nawode to be the ability to perform in bed.
Oh!
Nawode Herbal Mixture.
Ouch! He says it's the ability to perform in bed. I hope it's not for, oh my God. Okay, thank you, Damilare. Now, tell us a little bit about your background. Tell us about you, just a little bit about you.
First of all, I'm Damilare Oluwasegun. Like I said, I'm from Osun State, in Osogbo. It's an Osun. I grew up there. I was born and brought up, and these types of things I grew up I grew up with. So like I said, I inherited it from my parents.
You inherited it from your parents, so it's a family.
It's a family
tradition. Wow.
So, and I have a passion for it.
Wow.
That is why I'm into it.
Wow. So he inherited it from his parents. Damilare, are you educated? Did you go to school?
Yeah, of course.
Oh,
yes.
please tell us a bit. What did you study?
I studied computer science.
Oops.
Computer science. I finished from Machine Polytechnic in Abeokuta.
In Abeokuta. Now, this is to show that it's not illiterates it's not only illiterates that do this. We have educated people who have gone herbal. Okay, so take notes. Okay, so you say that you inherited this from your parents.
Yes.
It's a generational thing.
Yes.
Did you have to do go to some kind of school again to learn the basics, or you just watch them, or it's like a spirit that comes upon you?
Yes, it was a spirit that came upon me, because when I was a kid, then my parents, my mom, most especially my mommy and my grandmother, we do things together, concerned about the herbs, of the things. When they are doing it, I'll be there. They'll be, they'll be telling me that this and what is working for this and what, and I'll be like before and I'm into it for a long period of time. So along the line, then. And I decided, this is my dream, that I have to face it, because health is wealth. Everybody in life needs
good health.
Good health. If I do, I go for waist pain, body pain. After, sometimes I just feel say my body feels somehow. So anytime I take the herbs myself, I prepare it. I'll just feel like next day my body, everybody,
you don't balance.
Don't balance. Say I feel go village. I feel go do anything what I want. I feel go play ball. So I don't say that.
Okay, Mr. Damilare.
Mr. Go.
I can see the passion you have for what you do. This is funny, and I'm glad that you try it up on yourself first before giving to your customers.
Yes.
But then let me now ask you, what kind of ailments, what kind of sicknesses do you specialize on?
Very good. I specialize in different type of infection and disease.
Infections and diseases,
yes.
Okay.
Diseases.
Such as
fibroid without surgery.
Fibroid without surgery.
Yes.
So it is possible for one's fibroid to get dissolved without having to go through surgery.
Yes. There's not a problem without a solution.
Wow. Okay, Mr. Damilare, before we go any further, let me ask you a very sensitive question.
Okay.
Are you registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission?
Yes.
And is your product or your company registered with NAFDAC?
Yes.
Oh, you have a NAFDAC registration?
Yes.
Can we see it on any of your products?
Yes. Can it? See there.
Oh, it's actually in tiny print, but it is there. 8 something, I think. Okay, that's fantastic. Now,
thank you.
Please tell us, what ailments do you specialize in? What sicknesses and illnesses or diseases
like
do
malaria,
you
typhoid, and for infections, I specialize in gonorrhea, partial stroke, painful menstruations, menstrual pain, weak erections. What's good? Arthritis as well.
Arthritis.
Yes.
Okay.
So and so on and so forth.
Okay. Now, for instance, when I walked in here, I saw this product. How safe is it to use your product? Does it come with dosages? Does it have any side effects?
It doesn't have a side effect.
No side effects.
Yes.
But it has doses. So I can't decide to just sit down and say, oh, okay, I have painful menstruation, and then I drink everything at once.
No. You can't take everything, or you can't drink everything at once. You can only take it 2 spoons. You can see there's there has no instructions there.
Oh, fantastic.
So in everything there is all these instructions. So you have to really read the instructions and go ahead of it.
Okay, so basically what he's trying to say is that despite the fact that it's organic and natural, it still comes with instructions. You cannot overdose or underdose, as the case may be. Mr. Damilare, let me I want to guess, is this what they call bara?
No.
Oh, this is not bara. This is bitter gourd.
Yes, they call it tagiri in Yoruba.
What?
Tagiri.
Tagiri.
Tagiri in Yoruba.
Tagiri.
Yes, tagiri. So many people see this tagiri, they'll just look at this, that what is the function? Some people don't know the functions. Some people don't know the functions. They just look at tagiri, and it's work for different type of things in the body system.
Wow.
For example, now you can add it to we call it typhoid and malaria. Okay. And it will definitely work perfectly inside.
To the typhoid and malaria
mixtures, yes.
Okay. What's this? I thought it was ewedu before, but I don't think.
This is moringa.
Oh, my bad. Okay.
They call it ewe lali.
Ewe lali.
Ewe lali in Yoruba.
Ewe lali.
Ewe lali.
In Hausa, lali is lali.
Lali.
In Hausa, lali is that leaf we use in decorating our bodies.
This is lali. Lali.
Ewe lali.
Ewe lali.
Okay.
So it work for both malaria and typhoid as well.
Oh really?
With the combination of dongoyaro. This is dongoyaro here. You can see the dongoyaro.
Okay.
You can see dongoyaro and lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
You can see the lemongrass. You can see. So this leaves, if you boil it together, so boil it for some times, then
like how many minutes?
Like let me say 5 minutes.
Okay. Oh, just 5 minutes.
Just 5 minutes. Yes.
Wow. Do we get to add the tagiri?
Exactly. We are going to add the tagiri to it. So after some minutes, like 5 minutes to 10 minutes, then you pour it inside cup. They will take it. You can take it morning and night. So before next day, then you get well.
That
you
is
go
called
okay.
sharp.
Sharp. They call
Sharp,
it sharp.
sharp. What's
You go
this?
okay.
What's this? I've never seen this before.
This is enu okpire in Yoruba. We call it enu okpire.
Do you know the English name?
Enu okpire at least should be
Looks like octopus hands to me.
see that?
Actually.
So in Yoruba, enu okpire. So it's for infections. For those who have a big stomach that wanted to reduce. Big stomach. So if you boil it like boil it with the tagiri as well. So like let me say between 30 minutes, then you pour it inside cup. You can take like 3 days to 4 days. Then you see that your stomach will just, the fats, everything, you're going to shit it out.
Mr. Damilare, I am definitely going home with this mixture.
Sure,
definitely. Don't worry, guys. I will show you the before and the after.
Sure.
Definitely, I'm going home with this. I was going to ask about that. Does it also work for weight loss? Because women and weights.
Yes.
Women and weight is like 5 and 6.
Exactly.
Bread and butter. Does it work for weight loss?
It works for weight. For women with too much of fat in the body system. So it works for it. So if you boil it with the tagiri and you now mix with the aloe vera. You can see the aloe vera.
Oh.
You can see the aloe vera. So I'm getting it. You also work for. You see, the fresh one. Make sure in everything you want to do, make sure that it's fresh.
So you can't use dried. You can't use dried herbs to.
No, dry. No, because of the all those the nutrients, the value of the thing after it's
When
going
it
to
is
dry.
Oh really?
So it's not going to have. But
Wow.
this what's it called, the fresh one like this. So it's good for the what you want to use for. Like maybe for the infection, like I said, for the waste in the body system. So just make your body to light and get control your strength.
So basically, what he's trying to say is that using fresh herbs is more effective than using the dry herbs, right? Okay, Mr. Damilare, and you've assured us that that these things there are no side effects.
No side effects.
Because they are organic.
Yes.
Okay.
What God has created, no side effects. It's man-made. All those man-made or something like a shock drug and all of that. They'll mix it. They have a specific expiring date and all of that. So all those things can easily get the side effects by taking shock drug and all of that. But natural essence doesn't have a side effects.
Okay.
Although you can only have a measurement that this is how you're going to be taking it, how you're going to be taking it, because there's some leaves that there's some leaves that if you take it too much, you'll be poisoning or something. So there's a structure in everything
On how to make use of it. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share. Now let me tell you something. Every month we're giving out a grand prize of 10,000 naira for those who have the highest comments on our monthly posts. So please, I will encourage you to comment, like all our videos, and of course, share. Okay? Join us sometime soon. We'll probably talk on something that you are interested in. Ciao. Thank you.